Welcome back to this channel, and today I have got a lens which is longer than all my previous lenses combined. It's Sony A7IV 200 to 600mm. In this video I am going to unbox it, review it and tell you all the things you need to know about this giant. This is the best telephoto lens anyone can buy without selling their kidney. We'll talk about price later, but let's see what's inside the box. First, pouch to carry lens, then strap, then again paperwork. Why they put so much paperwork? I doubt anyone read this. Lens hood, and finally, this is the behemoth. First impressions, looks amazing. Material is very high quality. Rings are very smooth. Of course very heavy, but not that much also. I guess have to start going to gym again. Alexa, set reminder to enroll in a gym. Now let me mount it to this new A7IV and then let's go out to start the review, because room is not definitely a place to review 600mm lens. By the way, this review is going to be based on 5 categories: zoom, design, autofocus, sharpness, and most importantly, price. Okay, see you outside.
I came to my favorite location in Charlotte, which is Airport Outlook. There is one runway over here, one more runway is over here. Let's try to capture some planes takeoff and landing. First, let's talk about zoom.
I never had such a big lens, so I'm very curious to see how close this lens will bring our subjects.
Charlotte is hub of American Airlines. So far away there is a hangar of American Airlines and there is an American Airlines logo. You can't see anything with naked eyes. So let's see how it looks from here. This is now at 200mm. At 200mm itself I can read the name, it is pretty clear. Now let me zoom in. 300, 400, 500 and 600. Zoom is amazing. I can't read anything like this, but here you can see everything, it's very clear. Let's do some more zoom tests, shall we?
And if this mighty telephoto reach is not good enough for you, it's also compatible with Sony's 1.4x and 2x teleconverters. But I don't think I will need it. It's really good zoom. It's almost 6 times bigger than what you see with naked eye.
Next, design.
As I said earlier, materials feel rich. The design is robust and it's like a James Bond of camera gear. Stylish, smooth and ready for action. ChatGPT wrote that. I did not write it, I promise you. The best thing about the design is this internal zoom. Unlike some other lenses, when you zoom in, the length of lens does not change. Another good thing is its stabilization, especially when shooting handheld or even with monopod. Stabilization is a key feature for any super photo lens because small vibrations are also enhanced a lot. In this case, the optical stabilizer is very good for both static and panning shots and works well in conjunction with the 5-axis in-body stabilizer, which almost all new recent Sony cameras have. It has few buttons on the back over here which are very handy, and both zoom ring and focus rings are buttery smooth.
Whatever vibrations you are seeing in the footage, those are because of this tripod. Tripod is not heavy duty. I have to invest in good tripod. Because of in-body stabilization, still footage is usable. Otherwise with this tripod, I don't think we will get any usable footage at 600mm. Next, autofocus.
This lens is so good at locking onto subject. It's like having a ninja sniper in your camera. Again, ChatGPT, not me. My main aim is to use this for bird photography. So let's see how it performs for capturing birds.
Then sharpness. Here at least I can see images are razor sharp. Hopefully on big screen also it will be the same case. You can see here, right, the background is so blur.
Both sharpness and contrast are excellent and remarkably consistent throughout the entire zoom range. You can get really tight depth of field and especially at longer zooms, and background gets very blur. Amazing lens. I thought let's go back to studio to talk about price. By the way, I used it now for almost 2 weeks and I used it a lot. So all the footage or pictures what you saw, those were taken within these 2 weeks. Anyway, last category, price tag. As I said, this lens might not cost a kidney as some other lenses do, but maybe a couple of teeth. Its usual price in US is $2,000 plus taxes depending on your location. So let's say around $2,150, which is a huge amount, no doubt about that. But if you are into wildlife or sports photography, then I would say it is worth it. And in India, price is around 1,75,000 rupees. And there you have it, review of Sony A7IV 200-600mm lens with aperture of 5.6-6.3. It's big, it's bold, and currently it's a superhero of telephoto lenses. If you're serious about your photography or just have few $1,000 lying around, then this is the lens for you. Thanks for joining me on this telephoto adventure. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up on YouTube, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you are interested in any other lenses, so I will try to review them next. And here are some more shots from this lens, and I will see you in the next one.